Hello guys, welcome to the Pharma Scientist channel. Today we are going to look into another important topic, which is job opportunities in pharma industry. So many of our people will comment or many of people will ask that what is the job opportunities in pharma industry after studying the pharma education, whether it be pharmacy or M pharmacy or diploma in pharmacy. So today we are going to look into this important topic. So job opportunities in pharma industry. So let's get started with the important topic. So first of all, we look into the job opportunities in the pharma industry. So here we are only talking about the pharma industry in the sense of industrial. We will look into the industrial jobs. Means what is the jobs in the pharma companies. So jobs in pharmaceutical industry differ from different perspectives and it can be defined in very broad way. So as we know that pharma industry is not a small industry or it is not a small town where we can tell that okay, there is only 3 or 4 people or only 20 people are working and only 2 or 3 departments are there. Pharma industry comprises of lot of different groups and is a big industry in itself where many people will be working from different backgrounds. So but basically we will be looking into the jobs which are related to pharma people and which are related to only the pharma industry. So in very short, it can be divided into two parts. So first is technical jobs and then the non-technical jobs or market-based jobs. Technical jobs means who have studied B pharmacy and M pharmacy, and non-technical or market jobs means those who have either studied B pharmacy or M pharmacy or who have not studied those B pharmacy or who are not from the pharmacy background. So they can also work in the pharmaceutical industry. So we will look into that also in detail. So first we will look into technical jobs. So first these technical jobs will be divided around the R&D center. What we have in our pharma industry, R&D center basically means research and development where the production does not happens of any medicines. Before production also there is another stage or another pre-production we can say, or where the research and development takes place for the medicines. After that only it is passed on to the production phase or into the production company. So I will make a detailed video on it, what are the different stages of pharmaceutical industry. But here we will look into the jobs. So one is formulation development. Formulation development in the sense the formulation guys means pharmaceutical analysis guys can work here, or pharmaceutics guys can work here who have done masters of pharmacy in those branches. Bachelor of Pharmacy people can also work, but this mainly deals about the formulation of tablets, capsules, oral solid dosage forms, or injections, be it any other powders. So here this all how it is formulated means how tablet is formulated, how capsule is formulated, how oral solid doses are formulated, how injections is formulated. So here all the study, all the R&D does in the formulation development, uh, formulation development branch. Another is analytical development. After doing the formulation, it is passed on to the analytical development team, where analytical development team takes and does by using HPLC, UPLC, IR, UV, or any other particle size, or any XRD. Means analytical wise, they will look into the work whatever the formulation guys has done. So they will just analyze whether those formulation is correct or not. If not, they will again revert back to the formulation development guys. So in this way the analytical development teams work, means they will work onto different analytical instruments. These different analytical instruments they will work. Packaging development in the sense the packaging of the materials, means tablets, capsules, injection. It is not a small branch, my dear friends. We cannot pack any tablets or any capsule in the any packaging. You might have heard blister packaging, strip packaging, vial packaging, or any plastic packaging, or any in an ampule how it is packed with a rubber strip it is packed. So there is a very good development or very good research and development takes place for the packaging development team. So here those people works. So in the fourth is the excipient research. Research in the sense there are many excipients which are used in the medicines. We might have seen in the tablets or capsule that along with the API, along with the main ingredient, there is a excipient which is binded or which is present to support the to support the action of the drugs. So this is also an important branch, and many people get job here as well. New drug research, this is completely a new drug research. Mean new drugs is new drug is researched here. We can also say new drug delivery system, NDDS also to this space. So here the new drug research takes place. This is also a good branch where new research of medicines means completely from starting to end in this branch takes place. So many people get jobs here also. This is also a good branch, and this is an important branch where people will work. So mostly people works here. The aim quality control. The aim of quality control in the pharmaceutical industry is to verify and test the medicines at various stages of production to ensure every product is of the highest quality. In the, means they will test whatever the products has been produced, or whatever the products has been passed on to the next stage. They will test whether it is the quality control compliant or not, whether it is suitable as per the specifications or not. So medicines at various stages of productions to ensure every product is of higher quality. So see here, highest quality. So in pharma industry, what we cannot compromise with the quality. Quality can never be compromised in a pharmaceutical industry, irrespective of their price, cost, time, and person. So these are secondary things: price, cost, time, person. But this is an important field. Quality can never be compromised. So quality control checks that people checks that only whether our quality is correct or not. So in process quality check, during the process means during the process work, this quality check control takes place. Raw material quality check means the materials which are used in the production, testing of those raw materials. Stability quality check, after production the product is kept for stability studies. So there this stability quality check takes place. This is also an important field because we need to know what is the stability of the product, be it tablets, capsule, injection, suspension, emulsion, ointment, whatever it is. Analytical QC, so analytical compromises of all these quality checks, all these quality branches by using the analytical instruments. Complete analysis, this is also an important field where means specification is made or COA is made by using the complete analysis, means by using UV, IR, or ROI, and then LOD, HPLC, UPLC, GC, using all these techniques, and a separate specification is made or COA is made, and then we have to refer for the in process quality check or the raw material quality check will refer those specification or COA for the analysis purpose for further step. So this is also an important field where we can get job. This is regulatory affairs. So what does regulatory affairs is? Regulatory affairs is a profession developed from the desire of governments to protect public health by controlling the safety and efficacy of products. Profession developed from the desire of governments means if we have went for submission of any product, suppose we have produced any product and we have submitted to for the regulatory agency, then the government, then this regulatory agency or government, if they have any issue, they will consult with the regulatory affairs teams, or regulatory affairs will do this submission work. So the submission work can vary from API, formulation, medical devices, or analytical QC. They will look into different fields of the submissions, whether it is medical related to medical devices or formulations or API or any analytical QC works. So this is also an important field where regulatory, where many people will get jobs. Other major technical jobs includes like technology transfer and production. Technology transfer means if we from the R&D to plant. A project or a technology is transfer, then it is called a technology transfer and production. This is also an important since if any product fails in the R&D or fails in the plant, it will be a major issue. Clinical research pharmacovigilance. The drugs which are clinically researched means it is researched on mouse, frog, or cat, or any guinea pig, or any other. So the study of that clinical research or any human, then that thing is captured into the clinical research. CDM, SAS, GIS, and medical writing. This is currently growing field, and this is mainly related to IT kind of work in the pharma industry where we do the medical writing or medical coding. So related to CDM software or SAS or DIS, where we will have different side effects or different reactions captured with the help of medical codes. Patient advisor or legal advisor. So many big pharma companies or big MNCs do prefer this kind of work where they have their own innovated drugs, and they will prefer the legal advisor from the different companies or different patients for their drugs. So they can also work in this. Mainly LLB person can work here. Pharmaceutical engineering BTech person can work here, where the pharmaceutical engineering means the any instruments or any equipments which are having any issues, then that BTech person or technology person can look into those equipment and they can get it sorted. Medical scientific license, this is kind of if any work we have done and we have gone for publications, so they will review that whatever the work or whatever the publications we have written is correct or not. So those medical scientific license will work here. So these are major technical jobs. Market based jobs means non-technical jobs. We can tell human resources means HR in short form. We call so here BCom or MCom or any mass communication people can also work here. Finance and accounts, any MCom, BCom or BBA, BBS or MBA people works here related to the finance teams or any purchase or accounts people who looks after our salary or any expenses for the companies. Information technique, whatever the instruments we have, computer, laptop, hard disk, pen drive used in the company, that thing they will look into place, or any meetings or anything which is related to IT, they will look into this. So BTech person can work here. Another thing, purchase department, as I earlier mentioned, BCom, MCom or MBA person can work here. Sales and social marketing means mainly the social influencer or marketing person. BCom in this field, anyone can work who have prior experience. So just to promote their company nowadays, this is a very good growing field. Supply chain management. If we have any, if we have produce any drug, then to sell into market, if we have to increase our sales, the supply chain management will have a very good 100% up to the mark. Otherwise, if there is a disruption or breakage in the supply chain, then our drugs will not be as selling into the market. So these are the important fields where we can work, either pharmacy background or non-pharmacy background. So thank you for listening, and please leave a comment, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.